back to my channel. We're having a spring look here today because this is one of our very first spring makeup looks. And make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Once you do all those 3 free things, you're going to be definitely a member of the Beauty by Deanna D fam. This shadow switch, I don't know how to pronounce the brand, but y'all, best thing ever invented. We're going to start this out because usually if you don't have makeup remover wipes on hand, you can actually like take it and take the makeup brush and then clean it away. Everything comes off. It's amazing. So we're going to take the BH Cosmetics 42 Ultimate Matte Eyeshadow Palette. This eyeshadow palette, you have so many colors to choose from. We're going to take this hot pink. This is the brightest hot pink you can ever have in your collection. Even if you decided to use this bright pink as a blush, you have to go little by little. And when I say little by little because it's that pigmented on all skin types. Once I apply this pink to the first half of the eye, we're going to leave it alone because we're going to be applying another shadow right next to it. And then I felt like the shadow that I'm applying next to it is definitely a perfect shadow for this bright pink. It's going to be great to have these 2 colors next to each other. And the next color I'm going to be taking is definitely like a nice bright orange shade because I think orange and pink work so well together. And then after I apply these 2 shades together, I kind of loved connecting the 2. And after I connect the 2, I would definitely love the blending part of this eyeshadow look. So once the blending from these 2 are blended and connect, we could definitely go on to the next shade. So to the next shade, I am going to be going on in the same exact palette. I used the same exact palette in this entire look because this palette was giving everything that I need. Okay, it was giving. So the palette that I am going to be using, oh wait, I did change it up. Sorry, I did use the BH Cosmetics. I haven't used BH Cosmetics in so long. I think this was the Farewell palette, but I will have everything listed below. They have the black is eyeshadow palette in this palette. Period. This black shadow is blacker than black. Like, it's blacker than Carbon by MAC. Black. That's how black it is. Okay. So, I decided to apply that one. But the Ultimate one have a black shade too. But I just love the other palette that I currently just used. But now I'm going to go in with the LA Colors Concealer in Deep because I do love a good LA Colors concealer. It just does what it needs to do. Like, hello. After I apply the LA Colors Concealer in Deep, I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Farewell palette. And I'm going to be applying that lime green. It's the limest green. It's liming. It's liming, okay? I'm going to be applying the lime green to the eyeshadow palette. After I apply the lime green from the eyeshadow palette, I'm going to go in with an icy blue eyeshadow shade, period. That's right. I'm going to go in with an icy blue eyeshadow shade. Y'all, look. Now, I don't usually use blues like this because sometimes it can be kind of like intimidating. But look at the blue on fair skin. You cannot tell me. You can't tell me that's a beautiful blue. Like, look at it. Sit back and just look at the sleigh. Just look at it. So I just took that blue and I just applied it right next to it. And then after I applied the blue right next to it, I applied some more of the black eyeshadow because I felt like I overlapped it with the blue just a little bit. And then I applied purple eyeliner. And after that, I applied my lashes and mascara and called it a day. that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what kind of spring looks you want me to do next. Some lovely spring combination looks. And I gotta go, and I will chat you soon. Bye, peace.